Hello friends, welcome back to channel. So in earlier video we have learned about df-h command, how it shows the output and what's the file system size in this thing. But if you're getting a if someone is asking a report, what's the total size of the disk, like what's the total of this, so you can do df-h-totl. It will show you the combined size of these is 516 GB. Total use is 370 GB. Available 415 GB. Percentage is 42 to 72% utilized. Okay, it will not give you a mount point because it's the total of all these things. So this is how you can get the total. And if you want to customize like df-h and you want to customize the output, so df-h output. Okay, then source target. So what are the disks, where are they mounted? So like this you can customize source, target or AVAIL available. Okay, this much is available. Okay, this is like customizing this thing. So you can available and can do percentage like this. You can customize your output. So if you run plain, we'll get file size, use available, use mount point on. So you can do source, percentage, target, or you can do size. What's the size of this? Okay, see here is showing size of this thing. Okay, and do percent. Oh, percent is not there. There is the command percent and size. Okay, this is how you can customize your output of a df command and you can utilize this. This is the extended video of df command. Next we will learn about df-i, why we are using I thing. Before that I need to explain you inodes, so let's jump to the next video. See you in the next video. Till then keep practicing, use the df command. It is day-to-day routine task. You will get this thing, file system utilization and alerts and many things. Okay.